In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a GIF as Google Chrome's background. Open your Google Chrome web browser. Now, if you have your image, which you want to set as your background, then you can work with that, but if you don't, then you have to download one. In the search bar, search for something and then add landscape GIF at the end of the word. Let's search anime landscape GIF, for example. Click on Images. Here are a lot of GIFs you can choose from. Let's choose this one, for example. Right-click on the image. Click on Save Image As. Check if the file type is GIF. If it's not GIF, it will not work. Choose the file location and click on Save. Now open a new window. In the bottom right corner, click on Customize Chrome. Click on Change Theme. Click on Upload an image. Select the image and click Open. Here you can see that my Chrome background is now a GIF.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.